ginagawa niya? What are you doing? Parang alam ko to, red berry?
Yeah.
Ay, raspberry?
Yeah.
Okay, get more. This is this is so expensive in Dubai. Okay, get more. Hoy, akala ko kung anong kinukuha niya maya-maya. Gusto ko dito. Ay, raspberry Uy, tignan mo. Thank you. Ay, jowain ko to, dag. Fresh from the tree. Sana matamis. Ang sarap, day. It's so sweet. I like it.
Apricot.
Really?
Yeah.
It's also my favorite.
End of the July.
Okay. Hoy, nakakatatlong puno na tayo. Apple, raspberry or red berry, apricot. Also first time to see.
First time.
Yeah! Kakainin mo? Kwet mo kinain.
Oh. Oh.
Ang asin.